In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn profile from everyone. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile no longer visible to the public, the process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. This is especially useful if you want more privacy or if you simply don't want your profile showing up in public search results. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your feed page. This is the main home screen you usually see after logging in. Once you're there, look to the top area of the page and click on Me. This is where LinkedIn keeps your personal account options and profile-related settings. After clicking Me, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the section where you can manage how your account works, what other people can see, and how visible your profile is both on LinkedIn and outside of it. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, look for the Visibility section and click on it. This area controls different visibility options for your profile, activity, and public presence. If your goal is to hide your profile from everyone publicly, this is the right place to be. Next, find and click on Public Profile Settings. LinkedIn may open this in a new page or panel, depending on the version of the site you're using. This section specifically controls whether your profile can be viewed publicly by people who are not signed into LinkedIn and whether it can appear in search engines. Now, look for the option called Your Profile's Public Visibility. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn that toggle off. Once it's disabled, your public profile will no longer be visible to people outside LinkedIn, and it should also stop appearing as a public page. Keep in mind that this setting affects your public visibility, not necessarily your visibility inside LinkedIn itself. People on LinkedIn may still be able to find you depending on your other privacy and visibility settings. So if you want maximum privacy, you may also want to review the rest of the visibility options later on. That's it. Once you switch off your profile's public visibility, your LinkedIn profile will be hidden from public view. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference if privacy is important to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.